What do you mean by soil erosion? The denudation or the destruction of soil cover and subsequent washing away of the soil is described as soil erosion. The process of formation of soil and its erosion both are continuous and ongoing process which happens side by side. Maintain a balance between both. Soil erosion is caused due to certain human activities like deforestation, overgrazing by cattle, and also by constructional and mining activities. Besides this, there are some natural forces too, like the strong blow of wind, melting of glaciers, and water in form of rivers and floods also lead to soil erosion. The running water on the land over a long period of time has its effect. It cuts through the clayey soils and makes deep channels or wide cracks known as gullies. Such large area of land becomes uneven and is considered as bad land, and it becomes unfit for cultivation or any other activity. Such badlands are also called ravines. When the water continuously flows on an even leveled wide area of land, and when it moves forward from there towards the slope of the land, along with water, this sheet of water, it will also carry the soil, the alluvial soil of that land towards the downward land or the base of the land. This will cause sheet erosion on the flat leveled land where it flowed. How soothing this cool breeze feels on this summer hot days. But when the same wind blows with great force, it also carries along with it the topmost part of the most important soil, causing wind erosion. Children, we cannot stop soil erosion, but definitely we can control it by practicing soil conservation methods. Let us know about some of them. Contour ploughing or ploughing along the slopes of the mountains or hills to reduce the flow of water flowing down. Strip cropping, where between two rows of crops grown, the barren land is covered with grass or as other crop is cultivated. Terrace farming, where the slopes are cut into steps and cultivation is done. In areas where wind erosion takes place, long and tall trees are grown in rows to break down the force of such wind. These are known as shelter belts. Besides these, we also need to keep a check on overgrazing done by cattle, constructing dams in areas which frequently flood. Practicing crop rotation in farms, that is, in one season if we have cultivated wheat, then in other season we need to cultivate pulses or any other crop. And by changing agricultural practices to more sustainable practices.